Turmeric and ginger are superfoods that have been used for thousands of years since they have a myriad of medicinal properties. They are a natural way to energize the body, fight inflammation in the body, improve sleep quality and relax, soothe pain, and improve health in many different ways. Here are some of the medicinal qualities of the ginger root. Strengthens the immune system, helps digestion, alleviates muscle pain, treats nausea, improves cognition, relaxes, lowers inflammation, lowers cholesterol. On the other hand, turmeric helps depression and anxiety, soothes pain, helps with fatigue, aids digestion, protects the heart, reduces oxidative stress, improves sleep, treats inflammation, regulates blood sugar levels. Turmeric ginger tea is made by steeping ginger root and fresh turmeric root in hot water. Ginger and turmeric are used for their medicinal and nutritional qualities all around the world, and they have been heavily researched due to their global popularity. This tea is a ritual in Okinawa, Japan, where there is a high prevalence of centenarians, which just proves that this golden yellow beverage is a health elixir. The regular consumption of the ginger turmeric tea will fight fatigue, jumpstart your metabolism, lower pain, and help you reap all these benefits mentioned above. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 small piece of fresh ginger, peeled and minced, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, 2 cups of coconut milk, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 pinch black pepper. Instructions: the addition of black pepper to the tea is the best way to boost the absorption of turmeric in the body, as piperine, its active compound, makes curcumin in turmeric 2,000 times more bioavailable and absorbable. In a saucepan, mix all the ingredients, heat the tea for 5 minutes, and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also have a few cups during the day. Here are some nutritional facts you will find useful and interesting. A serving of the ginger turmeric tea contains calories, 13.2, total fat, 0.3 grams, sodium, 6.1 milligrams, potassium, 2.9 milligrams, total carbohydrate, 2.4 grams, dietary fiber, 0.8 grams, protein, 0.3 g, vitamin C, 1.5%, calcium, 1.3%, copper, 0.9%, iron, 18.1%, magnesium, 0.6%, manganese, 0.2%. Therefore, start drinking this amazing tea daily, and your overall health will be drastically improved.